Good evening to all. I hope you are well. Today we meet again for a new visit of your platform, Moornews. As a reminder, Moornews is your website, your platform that allows you to have all the African news in time. If you want to visit the platform, you have a navigation bar that shows you the categories, the author, about us, contact us, and of course you have the possibility to connect. Moornews has this particularity that it allows you to create an account that will allow you in turn to publish your own article to tell the story as you live it. Do not hesitate to visit the Moornews platform to learn more about African news. If you want to have more information, thank you for contacting us with the number on the screen. As for me, I say thank you and see you again next time.